Alrighty, hello. This product was sent to me for review. They contacted, reached out, and asked if I would check this out and tell you what I thought of it. It's a 12-in-1 mini ratchet set. And it's right angle, low profile, great gift idea, and there is even a guarantee, which is nice. Oh, wow, that is low profile. It's a cutie. Nice. Yeah, that's pretty easy peasy. That would be a good item to have in the car. Quick little ratchet set. Very, very nice. And then of course it has all of your attachments here of various sizes. So yeah, great product. Would make an excellent gift. I'd say if you're interested in buying a product that's useful and small enough that someone could easily even carry in their purse if they needed to, or hell, even your pocket. There it is. Thanks so much for watching.